intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining us, what's up? My name is Natalie and welcome to my glam family here. So today's video is going to be another unboxing. It's just unboxing season right now, and it's going to be my Ipsy Glam bag. Just my good old $12 Ipsy for the month of October. So if you would like to see what I got, then keep on watching, and you know the drill. If you like it, hit the thumbs up button, and it wouldn't hurt you to subscribe. Make my dreams a reality and press the subscribe button. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh, I already feel something that's not in the bag, and that's a good sign because that means it's a brush. Ooh, this is really pretty. This is the SL Miss Glam Round Blush P40. I have gotten brushes from this brand from Ipsy before, and I love how they have the little rhinestones right here, and then it has like a cool base, and it's green. I don't think I have any green brushes. That's nice. Blush, okay. Yeah, maybe, yeah, okay. Alright. Oh my gosh, this bag. I love this bag. The first thing I saw was Your Magic, and I legit think I was a witch in a past life. And okay, don't get scared. I was actually reading about Wiccans, and it's like witches are portrayed like the complete opposite of what they really are in movies and everything. Like, they're portrayed as evil and bad, but Wiccans actually, their belief is whatever you put out into the world, you receive back threefold. So like, they're only putting out good as they spit. And I was reading some of the spells. They're legit just like prayers in a circle. But anyways, okay, and here is the front. How adorable is that? I love that. Alright, let's see what I got. Okay, so the brush was $18.50. Alright, the first product is this douche, whatever, ultra precision eyeliner in black. I have a million black eyeliners. This will go in a giveaway, but this retails for $22. Like, what has this world come to? A black eyeliner is $22. Okay, next we have this R&Co Waterfall Moisture and Shine Lotion. Ooh, I like how that sounds. Okay, this lightweight lotion that's packed with hydrating and shine boosting ingredients like Brazilian babusu oil and nettle. It's also formulated with witch hazel, which fights frizz and gives your hair a glossy finish. Ooh, I really like that. Apply to wet hair and blow dry, or let dry naturally. I've been trying to just air dry my hair the majority of the time, so this will be perfect. I really like this brand too. Okay, next is, this is the Orza Astral Amethyst Shimmer Eyeshadow. Oh wait, it's in plastic. I'm underwhelmed. This is full size for I would not pay $20 for that. No, definitely not. I'll put this in a giveaway. And the last product. Alright, please be good. Essence Pure Nude Highlighter in Poppin' Champagne. Does that sound like something I know? Maybe Champagne Pop. Okay, it sounds good so far. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, okay. Let's see here. This needs to be built up a little bit, but it is a very pretty gold. It feels very nice. It just needs a few layers. It's a nice light gold. Okay, and the full size, or the retail value of the full size is $9.99. Okay. Let me reflect on my bag. I'm really excited about the hair cream, the brush, and I'm mildly excited about the highlighter. The eyeliner and eyeshadow, no. But the $12, am I happy? Yes. Alright, let me know what you guys think about my Ipsy Glam bag, and let me know what you got this month. Alright guys, I love you. I will see you in my next video.